Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 11.2 7th problem. 11.2 7th problem. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Draw a circle with the help of the bangle. Take a point outside the circle. You have to take one point that must be outside the circle. That must lie the outside of the circle. Construct the pair of tangent from this point to the circle. You have to construct the pair of tangent from the outside point to the circle. So, I'm having one bangle. So, first draw a circle with the help of a bangle. With the help of a bangle. First draw a circle with the help of the bangle. Okay, now we have drawn a circle with the help of the bangle. So we don't know the center first. We don't know the center. So for that we have to find the center first. How we have to find the center? Means take any two non-parallel cards. Take two non-parallel cards. This is non-parallel cards. Mark this as P, Q or S. So, to find the center of this bangle, center of the circle, if we draw by using compass means we will know which one is the center. But I have drawn a circle with the help of bangle, so I don't know the center. So, we have to find the center first. For that, first take two non-parallel cards PQ and RS of this circle and draw a perpendicular bisector for PQ. Draw a perpendicular bisector for PQ. For the line PQ. Draw the dotted lines. Okay, and then for RS, draw a perpendicular bisector for RS. This is a meeting point. So now join another dotted line. So which one is the center? The meeting point of the two perpendicular bisector. The meeting point of the two perpendicular bisector is the center. So this is O. This is the center of the circle. Okay, draw the perpendicular bisector for PQ and RS such that they intersect at O. Therefore, O is the center of the given circle. Now take a point T outside this circle. I have taken P, so I am going to take the outside points B, T. You can take any point. You can take any point. T. And then now join from this point to this circle only we have to construct a tangent. So now join with the center. Join with the center. And then draw the perpendicular. Join with the center or otherwise join with normal lines itself. Okay. Now draw the perpendicular bisector for OT. Draw a perpendicular bisector for OT. So we have to draw a new circle now. For that we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now join. And then mark this as M. This is the midpoint of OT. This is the midpoint of OT. Now draw a new circle. For that what we have to measure? Which one we have to measure? MO. We have to measure MO. And draw a circle. and then mark the point of contact of the two circles. Two circles, that is A and B. Now join from T to the circle. So TB is a tangent and TA is a tangent. Okay, and then to justify what we have to join, OB, this is 90 degree, and OA. So this is a semicircle. TAB, make a 90 degree. TAB is 90 degree because angle in the semicircle, and we know that OA is a radius. Since this is radius and it make the perpendicular line, so we can tell that TA is a tangent. TA is a tangent. Clear all of you? I tell you once again. First, draw a circle by using a bangle. Draw a circle by using a bangle. We don't know the center, so first we have to find the center. For that, take two non-parallel chords PQ and RS of this circle and draw a perpendicular bisectors of PQ and RS such that they intersect at the point, that is O. Therefore, O is the center of the given circle, that is bangle. Okay, take a point T that must lie outside the circle. No, from this point to the circle only we have to draw the tangent. To construct a tangent, first you have to join OT and bisect it. Mark the midpoint as M. Mark the midpoint as M, and then draw a circle by taking M as center and OA as a radius. OA as a radius, that is, you have to measure the length of OM and construct the circle. That circle must touch T also. Okay, so it intersects the given circle at the point A and B. Now join TA and TB. Thus TA and TB are the required two tangents. Now see the justification. Join OA and OB. So you have to join OA and OB, and then angle OAT. Angle OAT. It will make 90 degree because the angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. Also, we know that OA is a radius. Therefore, since OA is a radius and it makes 90 degree with the line TA, so we can tell that TA is a tangent to the given circle. Similarly, we can tell that TB is also a tangent to the given circle. This is our justification. Or you all understand the construction full exercise, that 11.2 fully? Thank you.